Okay, so here we have our supplies. And so I got the paddle from Michael's for $7. The Greek hand signs were $4. The Greek letters, $14. The smile letters came from Michael's as well for $2.99. And we got the wood stain for $5. And I had this paint and this paint. I got that paint from the Dollar Tree and the brushes from the Dollar Tree, $3. So all under 50 bucks. So let's go ahead and get started creating. Drop that. Okay, so here's the finished product. I'm sorry guys, my phone ran out of storage, so I couldn't continue recording the process, but I just have them laid down on the paddles. I haven't secured them yet. I'm going to be securing them with hot glue gun, and I really like the way this one turned out. It's just something about wood. I hate painting wood. I just really like to capture the essence of the wood. But you know, I thought it would look better since I didn't have the 2D letters on this one as I did on this one. I just went ahead and painted it white. I think it turned out good though. So I do not resin my paddles because of the toxic chemicals in them. So I'll just leave it as is. And you know, if he wants to resin it or have somebody do it, that's, you know, totally up to him. But anyway, here's the finished product. Your Greek paddle, under 50 bucks, DIY. You can do it. You can do it.